Hey yo, what's up? This is my bike check. I got a Subrosa Salvador Street 2010. Got Shadow finger banger grips right here. Real nice. Like a texture of brake lever. I don't know what brand this is. Brake cable here. Got a Armada frame. High tensile steel. Because Salvador doesn't come with 4130 currently, so. And I got the high tensile steel Pandora forks right here. Got the red rims. I got the Kenda K1040 tires, both tires. I have the Subrosa skeleton crew sprocket with Subrosa cranks and Odyssey twisted plastic pedals, and got a KMC chain right here. Got a Subrosa pivotal seat. Got Subrosa bars. Got the Subrosa front load stem, and I got some red Shadow Conspiracy Little Ones pegs. I ran on the right, so that's why they're on the right. So yeah, that's my bike. Just enjoying it. Love it. Rides good.